Hi friends, I'm Linda's. Welcome to SEAMETAL channels. Today I'm going to introduce your very useful phone holders. It's this. This is upgrade phone holders and this is the package. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, we got the phone holder. It is pretty mini. You can compare with my hands, right? Okay, it comes with a couple of metal discs and double-sided tape. So let's take a close look about the products. You can see here there has a practice piece on it. You just tear it off. You can see it is very thin grooming shot of seat face. So you just tear it off and placing on the dashboard about 1 to 3 seconds, and then it can sting very friendly to the dashboard. Okay, you can see this product is pretty mini, right? Because it is foldable design. When you need to use it, you need to open this just like this. And for this phone holder, we have two colors in my hand. This is the black colors. And we also have a silver color just like this. Okay, here has 6 magnet here. And let me show you the magnet effects. In my hand, this is the metal disc and this is the phone holder. When you put it together just like this, you can see how stimulate and it can hold a lot stronger than you think it would. So let's try it on phones. You just open the phone case. And then put those metal discs in here and put the phone case back on, just like this. Okay, let's do it again. So you need to put your phone here and the magnet phone holder will hold your phone firmly. It will not easy to fall out. And you can only need one hand to take the phones and put the phones. It is very easy to remove and replace. Just like this. Okay, it is a pretty good magnet phone holders. If you want to try a new phone holders, you can try this. If you like this, just follow us. We will bring more accessories in the future. Okay, see you next time.